My name is Aluna. Today I'm gonna explain to you about kitchen utensil. First, ladle. Ladle is for serving soup. And then colander. Colander is for draining water from food. And then stove. Stove is for heating food. And then plate. Plate is for serving food. And then fish slice. Fish slice is for lifting and serving food. And then serve. Serve is for separating solid food. And then refrigerator. Refrigerator is for keeping food fresh. And then pan. Pan is for cooking food. And then frying pan. Frying pan is for frying food. And then grater. Grater is for grating food. Okay, that's for today. Thank you for watching.